There is one very small island that stands out in the elite world of Major League Baseball, a place called Korsou. It's a tiny island off the coast of Venezuela with a population of just 150,000 that has managed to produce 5 current big leaguers and over 30 players in the minor leagues, the most players per capita of any country in the world. Korsou is not a typical baseball island. Unlike the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, or Cuba, poverty, proximity, or politics do not play a role in the influx of talent to the major leagues. Korsou is one of the richest and best educated countries in the region. Why is it the new red-hot source of American baseball? We went there to find out. In January, the weather is perfect on the Caribbean island of Korsou. Perfect for the beach and perfect for the tourists exploring the capital city of Willemstad. Its pastel-colored old-world architecture and Dutch street signs make it look like a tropical Amsterdam. Korsou is a cosmopolitan center of commerce, but just outside of the city, some of the island's most valuable exports are also hard at work.
Showtime, showtime!
Here at Teodao Ballpark, about 30 major and minor leaguers from Korsou have gathered for their regular off-season workout with Hensley Bam Bam Mullins.
People kind of knew that I had this gift kind of to teach and to give back and to make people around me better. Teaching them, correcting their flaws, so that when they have to compete, they can do it a little easier.
You guys have got more players per capita in the major leagues and minor leagues than any other country. Why?
Well, I can tell you this, there is a big love for the game here. And the other thing is, there is no urgency to leave the island because of necessity, having to take care of the entire family. None of these guys are in that situation.
And that's helpful because?
They don't have to rush off the island to go get it. The ones that leave and the ones that go is because they know they're ready to go.